India has achieved significant milestones in number of digital payments. Digital payments itself is being celebrated to strengthen the ecosystem approach for promotion of digital payments. To further accelerate the adoption of digital payments in the country, a nationwide 3 months digital payment campaign is planned from 5th December 2021 to 5th March 2022 in coordination with the government, banks, fintechs, merchant and other stakeholders in the digital payment ecosystem, joining hands for the benefit of citizens. The campaign may primarily include following activities: display of digital payment promotional content and secure payment practices through flex, hoardings or digital screens, etc. in bank branches and major cash receipt points. Onboarding of customers on Bheem UPI enabled apps and providing hands-on experience of NETC FASTag, IMPS, Bharat Bill Pay, RuPay, etc. in bank branches and major cash receipt points. Enabling merchants for accepting digital payments by onboarding them.
Pooja belongs to one of those rural areas of India where availing banking services is not easy and has to make the painful long-distance journey to the banks in the nearby village to make even a small transaction like checking her balance. We understand the problems that people like Pooja are facing currently, especially in the rural areas. And that's why NPCI, the umbrella organization for all the retail payment systems in the country, is introducing the Aadhaar-enabled payment system. AEPS is a bank-led model which allows online interoperable financial inclusion transactions at micro ATMs through the business correspondent of any bank using the Aadhaar authentication. Include financial transactions, eKYC, demographic authentication, use of biometric information in the UIDAI database for customer authentication, ease of making banking transaction in the remotest area of India without any hassle. All Pooja has to do is go to a business correspondent for making a transaction. She enters her Aadhaar number, informs the transaction type, bank name, amount to the business correspondent and gives her biometric, fingerprint or iris in the micro ATM. Once the transaction is done, the business correspondent gives Pooja a receipt of the transaction which can be used for future inquiry. Now Pooja could do basic banking transactions like balance inquiry, cash withdrawal, cash deposit, mobile update in UIDAI database, mini statement, Aadhaar to Aadhaar fund transfer in minutes. Pooja can even make a fund transfer by just entering beneficiary Aadhaar number as well as her Aadhaar number.
I'm simple. I'm quick. I'm convenient. I am a time savior. I'm one step ahead of others. I am an action of your dreams. I am your payment partner. I am Bharat Bill Pay, an integrated bill payment platform that offers convenience to everyone. With its unique, standardized and interoperable system, Bharat Bill Pay will revolutionize the way you make your bill payments. It allows you
Welcome to Ingenomics Technologies Private Limited. Located in Bangalore, the fastest growing city in India, home to most of the technology companies, the IT capital of India. Big ways from the IT capital of India. Big ways, new ways, big benefits. Perfect solution to any retail organization. Offer extended digital banking. Fintech, inshort tech and e-commerce. A digital platform hosted on Google Cloud and Microsoft Azure. Registered and recognized. Empowering women entrepreneurship. digital business, call me now. We offer digital, simple and easy to operate entrepreneurship opportunities for anyone to build your own business in Big Ways digital platform.